The Raj Kundra porn scandal is unraveling with each passing hour. India Today has accessed sensational testimony of one of the alleged victims of this porn racket. A woman who claims that she was promised a big Bollywood break, but instead was forced to shoot an adult video against her will. This is what she alleges.
A celebrity business tycoon. A multi-crore porn racket, at the center of which are aspiring models and actresses, exploited by showing them big Bollywood dreams. India Today has accessed sensational testimony of one of these young women who was approached by Kundra's company to feature in adult videos for his app Hot Shots. The testimony is part of a second FIR in the case that has now been transferred to the Mumbai Crime Branch. The allegations by a small-town girl who dreamt of stardom exposes the dark reality of the pornographic racket. The complainant claims to have been approached by a gang whose two members worked for Raj Kundra's app Hot Shots. The victim alleges that she was told that she would be shooting 2 videos in Mumbai's Mud Island and Lonavala. She was promised 1 lakh rupees, but her contract with Hot Shots mentioned just 10,000 rupees. The makers claimed they needed to save tax. But that was just the beginning of the deception. When the girl arrived to shoot the video, she was asked to film adult content. When she refused, the makers tried to convince her that the bold scenes will not be a part of the final cut. The makers also assured her that she would be shown the final version of the videos before the release. It was on this pretext that she was made to shoot 4 videos. But the woman was shocked to see that the nude scenes shot by her were uploaded on Kundra's porn app. Nothing was edited out and her permission was not taken. Worse, she was only paid 3,500 rupees. The victim's statement will now be recorded before a magistrate and could spell more trouble for Raj Kundra. With Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
The arrest of Raj Kundra wasn't just some overnight operation. The whole sequence of events actually began over 5 months ago. Was Raj Kundra and his involvement in the porn scandal being shielded? India Today has pieced together the precise series of events that led to his final arrest. And while initially the celebrity business tycoon's name was not in the charge sheet, his direct involvement in the porn ring was discovered and alleged when the Mumbai Crime Branch underwent a complete overhaul in the aftermath of the Antilia bomb scare and Sachin Vaze scandal. Take a look at this detailed report by Saurabh Bhaktania. It was 5 months ago, on the 5th of February, that the property cell of the Mumbai Police Crime Branch busted a pornographic racket where 9 people were arrested. 2 months later, a charge sheet was filed, but it did not name Raj Kundra. But the business tycoon knew that he was in trouble, so he dumped his old mobile phone and got a new one. This was also the time when there was a big churn in the Mumbai police. The Antilia bomb scare had shaken up the entire city and the police machinery. In the aftermath of the Antilia scandal, there was a complete overhaul inside the Mumbai police. Top cop Parambir Singh was transferred, his close aide Sachin Vaze was arrested, and a whole new team took over the crime branch. In June, as new officers took charge, they started to investigate old cases and stumbled upon details of the porn racket. The officials now suspected direct involvement of Raj Kundra and his app Hot Shots. The crime branch also had Kundra's WhatsApp chats with Umesh Kamath. The investigation continued for another month. By now, the investigators were certain of Raj Kundra's role and wanted to question him and search his premises. On the 19th of July, the crime branch secured a search warrant and within hours, raids were carried out in Vian Industries offices in Mumbai. The Mumbai crime branch team found a lot of video data and adult content from the servers at Kundra's office, as India Today has reported. While the raids were on, crime branch personnel heard Kundra asking for data to be deleted. The officers thought crucial evidence may be erased and that Kundra might get off the hook. The cops swung into action and handed over a notice to the business tycoon and his aide Ryan Thorpe. And Kundra was summoned to the property cell for questioning. The business tycoon refused to go in a police vehicle. On the evening of the 19th of July, Kundra was grilled and at around 10:45 p.m. that night, he was finally arrested. A 5-month operation ending in the arrest of this individual, now suspected to be the kingpin of a wider racket. All allegations against Raj Kundra remain part of the investigation by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. With Saurabh Bhaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today. The Raj Kundra porn scandal has also taken a political colour, with Maharashtra BJP leader Ram Kadam for some reason stepping into this entire controversy and alleging that a model actress was physically harassed by Kundra, but he was left off the hook. Kadam also alleges that the actor was pressured to be completely silent and withdraw her complaint. Is he talking about Sherlyn Chopra, who's supposed to be making a statement as well? Take a look.
Maximum sleaze and now maximum politics. BJP wades into the high-profile Raj Kundra Porngate controversy. BJP Neta alleges struggling actor model physically harassed by the tycoon. But Kundra was let off the hook.
आरजी ने कहा उसके साथ शारीरिक उत्पीड़न हुआ है, उसके साथ धोखाधड़ी राज कुंद्रा ने की है। अचानक से रातों रात ऐसा क्या हो गया कि वह एप्लीकेशन आगे बढ़ नहीं पाया? उस अभिनेत्री पर किसने दबाव बनाया? दबाव बनाने वाले में कौन से ऐसे शक्ति केंद्र थे? इस बात का जवाब अब महाराष्ट्र सरकार से चाहते हैं।
What tumbled out as a multi-crore pornography racket has now snowballed into a full-blown political controversy. But the BJP did not stop here, accusing Kundra of fraud worth 3,000 crore rupees, alleging that Kundra's Vian Industries Limited had started an online game by the name Game of Dot and collected crores of rupees from various distributors across the country.
अपने पत्नी के शक्ल का तक इस पूरे गेम में इस्तेमाल किया। यहाँ पे शिल्पा शेट्टी जी है और पीछे वो जीओडी नाम का जो ऑनलाइन क्रिकेट का जो गैम्बलिंग का जो गेम है, क्या है वे स्वयं जाने। इस गेम का वो इस प्रकार से प्रचार कर रही है।
Kadam hit out at the Agadi government, questioning how was the sinister racket being run under its nose.
किसके दबाव में थी पुलिस? पुलिस राज कुंद्रा के विरोध में क्यों नहीं कार्रवाई कर रही थी? किसने उन्हें रोका था? जिन लोगों ने उन्हें रोका था, वे नाम देश और दुनिया के सामने आना जरूरी है।
Kadam's charges were bolstered by the claim of a distributor who alleged he invested 10 lakh since Shilpa Shetty was a co-owner.
मैंने 7 लाख रुपए दिया था, अभी भी उन्हीं के पास है, जबकि इस गेम का कुछ रिस्पॉन्ड हो ही नहीं रहा है। उनके लोग जो पैसा लेके उधर ही गए, उधर बैठ गए, तो आगे आ नहीं रहे थे। हम मिलने आए तो मिल नहीं रहे थे, तो पता चल गया कि यार इसमें कुछ तो गलत चल रहा है।
The Agadi government hit back at the BJP.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को है ना, नाचना आवे आंगन टेढ़ा, ऐसा है। और उनको कैसा है कि अभी सत्ता चाहिए, सत्ता के लिए ये कुछ भी बोलते हैं और उनके मुंह में जो आता है वो भरड़ते रहते हैं।
It seems that BJP wants to sensationalize this issue. They want to add speculation to it, which they have been doing in earlier cases also, like the case of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Raj Kundra is currently in police custody for the next 14 days. But the politics suggests that the controversy is not dying down. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, adult film actor Sherlyn Chopra is to record her statement in connection with the Raj Kundra porn scandal. Sherlyn is supposed to make a statement as a witness to the Mumbai Police Crime Branch today. Sherlyn was denied protection from arrest by the Mumbai court earlier. She already has grievances against Kundra and even recorded a statement against him back in March. In her earlier statement at the cyber cell, Sherlyn Chopra said Raj Kundra had requested her to shoot content for his Hot Shots app, but that she refused as she found the content on the platform to be sleazy and downmarket, quote unquote. She even revealed that in March 2019, Kundra had approached her manager with the idea of a Sherlyn Chopra app, saying that the content she uploads on the social media is free. Instead, she can monetize it through an app.
Adult film star Sherlyn Chopra has exposed Raj Kundra's dirty picture. Sherlyn has made sensational revelations about Kundra's Hot Shot app and his porn filmmaking business. India Today has accessed Sherlyn's statement to the Mumbai Cyber Police that she recorded in March this year. Sherlyn Chopra claims that Raj Kundra requested her to shoot for a video to be streamed on his porn app Hot Shot, but she refused because she found the content on the app to be sleazy and downmarket. Sherlyn says she signed a contract with Kundra's firm Arms Prime in 2019 to monetize the adult content she shared online. One of the videos she shot under this contract was titled Chocolate, which is now under investigation. She alleges that the video was shot at an Andheri hotel and that she would have heated arguments with the creative head, who asked her to lower her inhibitions and pose like Hollywood models. Sherlyn Chopra did not renew her contract with Hot Shots as she fell out with Kundra over the 50-50 revenue sharing model. The adult star claims that despite her demand for her videos be deleted after the end of agreement, the content is still available online. Mumbai Crime Branch is yet to record Sherlyn Chopra's statement, who also has alleged that Kundra forced her into the porn industry. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Pankaj Upadhyay joins me live from Mumbai. Pankaj, Sherlyn Chopra, who had made many big allegations against Raj Kundra and then withdrew that complaint. She's supposed to be, making a statement with the crime branch today. Her anticipatory bail has been rejected. When is that going to happen?
Well, Shiv, we are learning that she is yet to be given a date of appearance before the Mumbai Crime Branch. And now her statement, of course, gains a lot of importance because she herself, when she released a video, had said that she was the first person to have approached the police and given details of the so-called porn racket that was being run by businessman Raj Kundra. So her statement gains a lot of importance. In fact, she has let out important details on how she was approached by Raj Kundra and also said that the app could be given her name and then the content that she was putting on social media could be monetized through this very app. So the details that Sherlyn Chopra has given are of crucial nature. Mumbai Crime Branch will soon be recording her statement as well. So it remains to be seen now when she was going to be called in. She was supposed to come today and record her statement. That has not happened today. And the next date will be given to Sherlyn Chopra soon. And it really remains to be seen now what comes out of that statement. This is happening interestingly at a time when the Mumbai police says that the investigation into the matter is still on and that a lot of forensic evidence has been erased by by the associates of Raj Kundra. And interestingly, Mumbai police also says that there is no clean chit that has yet to be given to Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty. And today, of course, as we all know, how a lot of politics has also come into the play, and Ram Kadam has made serious allegations against Raj Kundra, and especially with regards to the 3,000 crore fraud that he is mentioning. And a lot of depositors that I have had a word with, they mentioned they have got all the documents, they have the details, they have paid lakhs of rupees through checks.
Absolutely.
So if those are true, if the documents are true, if the checks that if those are true, perhaps this could be yet another big story and could really invite trouble for Raj Kundra.
Really, really could. It, the layers are increasing, the number of angles is increasing, and the pressure is definitely at maximum pitch right now. We'll have to see where this goes. India Today only reporting on the proceedings and what is being released by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch. We are also expanding our coverage of this entire story. Pankaj, thanks very much for that. Meanwhile, the Bombay High Court has pulled up Raj Kundra's wife, actor Shilpa Shetty, for filing a defamation plea against several media houses and social media companies for reporting on the Raj Kundra porn scandal. The court made some scathing and very direct observations, saying that the actor's plea to supervise editorial exercises is very dangerous. Justice Patel also questioned how a story from crime branch sources could be interpreted as defamatory. The court reminded Shilpa Shetty that she had chosen to live in the public eye and that if she cried in front of outsiders, it would be reported. Justice Patel said that no one was reporting about the actor's private life. The next hearing in the case is on the 20th of September. That's it on 5 Live. Thanks very much for watching. 6 p.m. Prime with Preeti comes up next.